A shocking discovery has just rocked the world of astronomy. The interstellar comet 3I Atlas, a rare visitor from beyond our solar system, is sending out a mysterious signal that no one expected. Strange chemical traces, bizarre tail patterns, and data that break the rules of science have left astronomers speechless. What exactly is this object, and why is it behaving so differently from anything we've ever seen? The answers could reveal secrets far stranger than we ever imagined. 1. Unveiling the signal. Astronomers are studying the data, the spectral fingerprints, that light and matter from 3I Atlas are sending to Earth-based and space telescopes. When scientists examine comets, they use powerful instruments to split light into its component wavelengths, revealing the hidden chemicals inside. With 3I Atlas, those fingerprints turned out to be nothing short of shocking. One of the first surprises was the discovery of nickel without iron in the comet's spectrum. Normally, throughout the cosmos, nickel and iron appear together because of how they form in stars and supernova explosions. On Earth, in asteroids, even in meteorites, the two metals are inseparable twins. Yet here was a comet showing abundant nickel without the usual trace of iron, something that should be geologically impossible. This signal immediately challenged the very foundations of planetary science, leaving astronomers scrambling for explanations. The importance of this finding cannot be overstated. If 3I Atlas is composed differently from every comet in our solar system, it suggests that the environments where it formed, in a star system far away, had chemical conditions unlike anything we've studied before. That would mean interstellar comets aren't just exotic wanderers. They're time capsules carrying information about alien chemistry and planetary formation processes. And for scientists, that's like opening a history book written in a language we're only just learning to read. But the strangeness didn't stop there. Researchers also detected high amounts of carbon dioxide gas venting from the comet. This wouldn't be unusual by itself, except for the sheer dominance of CO2 compared to other gases. It hints at a body built in an environment colder, darker, or more chemically unstable than anything in our own solar neighborhood. Taken together, these signals tell us we're not just watching a ball of ice and rock drift by. We're witnessing an object that breaks the rules, and in doing so, forces us to question what we thought we knew about the universe. This sets the stage for the bigger question. If the signals from 3I Atlas are so bizarre, what else could they be hiding? 2. Why it matters. Every so often in science, a discovery comes along that forces us to redraw the boundaries of knowledge. 3I Atlas is exactly that kind of discovery. Its mysterious signal is important because it's not just about one comet. It's about everything we know or think we know about how planets, stars, and life itself are made. Consider first the precedent. The first interstellar visitor, oumuamua, baffled scientists in 2017 with its strange cigar-like shape and odd acceleration, which some speculated could even hint at artificial technology. Then came 2I Borisov in 2019, which looked more like a normal comet but still carried interstellar signatures. Now, 3I Atlas ups the stakes by being bigger, brighter, and chemically stranger than either of its predecessors. Each interstellar object has rewritten part of the cosmic playbook, and this latest one might be the most game-changing yet. Why does it matter so much? Because chemistry is destiny in space. The ingredients available in a star system determine whether planets form, whether they can sustain atmospheres, and whether life could one day emerge. If 3I Atlas has a makeup that doesn't match anything here at home, then it shows us just how varied the universe can be. Imagine the implications. Whole solar systems out there where Earth-like might mean something entirely different, built from recipes of elements we've never considered. This finding also connects directly to the search for life. Astronomers have long believed that comets delivered the building blocks of life, things like water, carbon compounds, and amino acids, to early Earth. If interstellar comets like 3I Atlas can carry radically different chemistries, then the pathways to life across the galaxy might be more diverse than we ever dared to imagine. What we call life-friendly conditions could be just one of many options, hidden among billions of alien worlds. The importance doesn't stop at biology. For astrophysics, 3I Atlas provides a rare natural sample of material from outside our solar system. Normally, we study distant stars and galaxies through faint light alone. But an interstellar comet is literally dropping a fragment of another star system into our own backyard. The signal it sends, through its composition, its tail, its outgassing, is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to study alien matter without leaving home. And here's the kicker. If every interstellar comet is different, then our universe may be far stranger and far richer than anyone imagined. 3. How we study it. So, how exactly do scientists decode this mysterious signal from 3I Atlas? The process is both high-tech and surprisingly elegant. It starts with telescopes, not just the giant observatories on Earth, but also space-based instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope. These devices collect light reflected and emitted from the comet. Once that light is captured, it's split into a spectrum, much like how a prism breaks sunlight into a rainbow. And inside that rainbow, hidden as faint lines and patterns, lie the chemical signatures of the comet's material. In the case of 3I Atlas, astronomers used both ground-based and space telescopes to compare its spectrum with known elements. That's how they found nickel without iron, CO2 dominance, and other anomalies. These results aren't guesses, they're solid detections, repeatable across different instruments. It's like fingerprint analysis in forensics. Each chemical leaves behind a unique trace, and the comet's fingerprints simply didn't match any usual suspects. But studying an interstellar comet isn't just about what it's made of. Scientists also track its trajectory, brightness, and how its tail evolves as it approaches the sun. For 3I Atlas, the tail itself is a puzzle. Instead of behaving like ordinary comets, its dust and gas seem to form an anti-solar tail, pointing in unexpected directions. This, too, is part of the mysterious signal, evidence that physical forces around this comet don't follow the neat patterns we've charted for local comets. What makes this research even more exciting is the international collaboration behind it. Teams from NASA, ESA, and observatories worldwide are racing to gather as much data as possible before the comet speeds back out into interstellar space. Unlike planets or moons, interstellar comets don't stick around. 3I Atlas will be gone in a cosmic blink, and the chance to study it may never come again. Every observation counts, and the urgency adds a dramatic edge to the science. Looking ahead, some scientists are already proposing missions to intercept future interstellar objects. Imagine sending a probe to fly alongside one of these visitors, sampling its dust, and analyzing it directly. The mysterious signal from 3I Atlas is not just a clue about the comet itself. It's a wake-up call, pushing humanity to be ready next time with spacecraft that can chase down these rare travelers. The mysterious signal from 3I Atlas is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a reminder that the universe is still full of surprises, waiting to challenge everything we think we know. From its strange chemistry to its bizarre tail, this interstellar visitor has left astronomers both baffled and inspired. It shows us that beyond our solar system, the rules can change, and sometimes the cosmos whispers secrets in the form of signals we're only just learning to hear. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world and keeps our journey going.